China's J-25 Ghostbird stealth fighter better than US F-22. China's feat in developing its fifth-generation fighter jet surprised the world. After disclosures of its J-18, J-20 and J-31 fighters, its strongest stealth fighter jet J-25 Ghostbird has now been disclosed by foreign media. According to the report, J-25 has successfully surpassed U.S. most advanced F-22 fighter. According to analysis, J-25 is capable of cruise at supersonic speed and has a takeoff weight exceed 20 tons. It is a high-performance heavy fighter jet for dominance of the sky with its surprising speed and better undetectability, which according to sources, is due to the application of 3D printing technology. China's J-25 Ghostbird fifth-generation fighter better than US and Russian ones including F-22.